It's shopping time here in Shibuya. And of course, dili pwede mawala ang Don Quijote. If you've been to Japan, kabalo mo nga Donkey is life. From beauty products to food, naatanan diri. So here are my top 5 things you should buy in Don Quijote, Shibuya. Number 1, Tsubaki or Final Hair Mask. Super nice kay sa buhok. Mura kag gikan sa salon pirmi. Smooth, shiny, ug humot kaayo. Worth every yen good. Number 2 is perfume. Donkey has some of the lowest prices I've seen. And tax-free pa. So kung gusto ka magpahumot without breaking the bank, diri na gyud. Pwede pa gyud pasalubong. Classy kaayo. Number 3, the nail cutter. Hala, oy, katawanan ka ini. I didn't know it costs around 1,000 each. Ambi na ko ordinaryo ra. But when I tried it, grabe kaayo. Smooth kay mukha. Mura kag nagpa-manicure. Honestly, one of my best buys, Jude. Number 4, Alfort chocolate. My favorite Japanese chocolate of all time. Lami kaayo. Dili sobra katamis ug perfect ang snack or pasalubong. Promise, makasala ka sa diet ani. Number 5, Pear Acne Cream. Kung naa kay acne-prone skin, this really works. Effective kaayo. Dali ra makita sa Donkey ug barato pa. Makaingon jud kag, hala, miracle, nawala akong bugas. So, mao to akong top 5 Don Quijote finds. From hair care to chocolates na agyud tanan. Ayaw ra jud kalimtay mong passport for tax-free shopping ha. Kay basing ulahi kag realize nga pwede di ka makatipid. See you in the next vlog. Happy shopping mga best! If you're planning for your travel, make sure to book your activities through Klook and use my code TRAVELWITHMIAKA to get 5% off on selected activities and hotels. And don't forget to follow Travel with Miyako for more travel tips, food finds, and family adventures.